We were just discussing this unique landscape planting, and one of the biggest factors that drove the design and were as important to the homeowner was the issue of drainage here.
Right. Yeah, there's some real drainage issues here, and you know, most of this whole area is it's subtle, but it's all sloping away from the house now pretty good. All the way around this house, when the plants were taken out, it was much lower at the foundation than the yard.
And
So
we talked about how it had a large hedge in front of it, and when plants have been in there for a long time, and then you take them out, we see settling along the foundational line.
oh, exactly.
So-
There are some, especially in the front here, existing window wells, and we maxed out the, you know, what we could do with that. Unfortunately, these gutter pipes going over the top, we just didn't have enough pitch to bury it. We had nowhere to go because it's just not enough elevation to bury it. It's just an unfortunate part.
But
on
some
the
of the window wells, you were able to
yeah.
raise up.
On the side here, this was really bad over here, and it's a unique situation on the side in that we really couldn't put any plants in here because of the overhang and the gate in the back.
Right.
The customer needed access to this backyard, so to put plants where they needed to be, there would have been no room.
Right.
But we also had to raise, you know, we've raised these existing window wells by 4 or 5 inches,
Right.
just so that we could get the pitch away from the house.
Yeah, it really pitches away pretty good now.
Yeah, so hopefully there will be no water coming in these windows anymore.
Sure.
So,
So it's important to consider drainage, you know, when you're doing a new landscaping project. And once you've torn all the plants out, that is the best time
oh, it's
to
the best
do any
best
work.
time to do your corrections. Yes. Okay.
So if you've got any issues with drainage that you'd like to talk to us about, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Houghton, Home Gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.